Hey guys, welcome here. I'm here in my car. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Lorena and today I will be doing a beauty related video. As you've noticed guys, I'm here in my car and I'm here in my workplace somewhere outside in the parking area, and probably this video is unboxing video. So before we're going to open this box, I need more lighting. So yeah, I will just open my sunroof. So my car is off right now. I turn it off because the machine is a bit noisy, but I will try to open this one and then I will try to open this one, and yeah, we'll see if the light is good. Yeah. So let's remove the sound, baka makapiright tayo. So I swipe. It's just raining this morning and see my ano is maraming raindrops. So let's stop now. So that's that right there. Nabubuksan yung glass guys, pero hindi natin siya gagawin. So that's that. Open ng aking sunroof. So how's the light? And I probably turn off the car because it's a bit noisy. And then turn off the car. Yun, naka-off na siya. I'm going to do unboxing of this box right here. So because of coronavirus, or because of we have lockdown and isolation for you know, for quite a while. So and our shops here is not really open, so we don't have somewhere to go to do shopping. Only groceries or shops that sells mga food or essentials, and also pharmacies, pero walang mga shops open for fashion and others, and also like restaurants or anything. So they're like closed. So I didn't go anywhere for shopping, but I did shopping online. Morphe Cosmetics or Morphe.com, nag-sale sila ng 50% off. My items arrived yesterday and here it is, and nandito siya sa aking car. So I decided, teka lang, i-push ko lang yung aking chair. So I decided na mag-hold na lang dito sa car. So this is what I got. So what I got from Morphe online store is not really like makeup, but it's related to makeup. It's a mga brushes kasi nag-sale sila ng 50% off, and yeah, it's way too cheap, so I bought it. Before ako mag-open, welcome guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome guys. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and also please guys, ring the bell notification for me para ma-notify kayo every time meron akong new uploads. It's either a DIY video or a beauty related video like tulad nito. So sa channel ko guys, it's a DIY and beauty related video, kaya yon. Yes, may dumaan. So andito ako sa parking area under the tree kasi lumipad ako. I park somewhere there and it's too glary because the sun is facing on my windshield. Yeah. So buksan na natin. Wala akong ano dito. I don't have scissor here, so let's sirain na lang natin. So actually guys, sa Morphe.com you can avail free shipping if you reach the shipping amount that they have in there. Like if you reach above $62, you are eligible for free shipping. So nabuksan ko na siya. Ayan po ang laman ng box. Yeah. I only got 4 items in the store. So I only got 4 items in Morphe online store. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. So guys, first time ko mag-film dito sa aking kotse, and yeah, para maiba naman ang ingay ng mga ibon. Yeah, para kasi sa bahay kasi ang dami pang setup na nangyayari, kaya yes, I told you guys, nandito ako sa parking. Para maiba naman yung setup, and yeah. First muna, this one. So there, I'm looking for a gel eyeliner, and I want a brown shade. And it's good that Morphe nag-sale yung kanilang mga gel eyeliner. Like any colors, they have black, gold, brown. I insert a photo. Yes, pasensya nyo na yung mga background noises ko. So yeah, so yan yung mga available shades sa Morphe. So this is what it looks like. So Morphe gel liner, I got the shade Coffee because sometimes I don't really want like super dark gel eyeliner like black. So I went for brown para maiba naman, para mga soft glam lang yung makeup na magaganap sa ating. Ang hirap mo naman buksan. Wait, come on. So maraming dumadaan na mga cars ngayon, and baka sabihin nila anong nangyari kay Lorena Scofield, nag-haul sa kanyang kotse. So this is the packaging looks like, and I got the shade Coffee, like my skin looks like coffee. Hi. Sealed siya guys. Okay, ayoko muna siyang buksan kasi when you open mga gel liners at hindi mo pa sila gagamitin talaga, there's tendency na mag-dry sila. So, ipapakita ko na lang yung actual shade niya kapag talagang ginamit ko na siya. So, let's put this back on. Next item that I got is this Morphe Mattifying Continuous Searing Mist. So, intriga lang ako dito. So, I bought it. And also guys, this one is 50% off. So I got this for $12. Normally they're 24 kapag hindi siya sale. So first time ko magkaroon ng setting spray na ganito, parang aerosol yung kanyang effect kapag in-spray mo siya. And yeah, parang deo siya, but it's a setting mist. So, mattifying setting mist. And it says here, matte like that. The microfine mists sets liquid or powder. Try nga natin. Nakakatakot. Wait, spray ko muna. Nakita nyo guys. Yun. Ang bango niya ha. Uy, in fairness, malaki yung kanyang spray. Pero siguro dahil first time ko lang, and yeah. Pero in fairness, ang bango niya ha. Try nga, I try. Para siyang perfume actually. So, ayun na yung sun. Sumisibol na yung sun. Balik ko na lang kaya yung ano ko. Ang glary. Wait guys, ibalik ko yung aking sunroof. There. Oh, yan. I think that's better. So, next item that I got are makeup brushes. So, I bought or picked up 2 sets of eye brushes. So, these are the brushes. So, same with the other one. So, buksan natin yung isa. So, this is what it looks like. It says, I Obsess 12-piece eye brush collection plus bag. Morphe, yeah. So these are the brushes that I got. So here are the brushes. 12 set of makeup brushes. Eye brushes. Oh, wow! Ito yung mga hinahanap ko na mga brush. Kasi maganda yung kapit nito sa mga eyeshadow compared dun sa mga parang yung black yung head ng brush. Yay! So, I'm happy with this. Let's check the... I think this one is for the eyes. What's this? Ah, wala siyang ano. There's no numbers or anything. What? Bakit? Bakit Morphe? I have another set of Morphe brushes. Yung collaboration nila with James Charles. Yung mga bawat brush noon, merong mga indicator like numbers and anything. So, para alam mo kung saan gagamitin. So, this one, there's none. Only nakalagay Morphe in there. But the reason why I bought 2 sets of eye brushes, guys, the reason why I bought them, because this one are the complete set of eyeshadow brushes. So the reason I picked up mga, or I collect mga brushes now, it's either eyes or face brushes. And sometimes I have client for makeup workshop. It's either home service or sa bahay. So I don't have enough brushes for the makeup workshop that I'm going to do. So these brushes right here is not for myself. This is for my client na want to do a makeup workshop. For me, actually, I have already did one makeup workshop before and wala akong mga makeup brushes for them. So I asked them to use their own, but if you do workshop, you should have your own. You should provide them mga tools na gagamitin nila and also mga makeup. So, since nag-start pa lang ako, so I started collecting mga brushes now. So, this is for the eyes and I already have face brushes that I already bought and wala sila dito dahil nandun sila sa bahay. So, ito lang yung nandito kasi sa kotse ko and yeah. So, yun lang yung video na to, guys. It's a very probably short one. So, we'll see how I go with my edits. So, yeah, lumagpas na po ako sa oras ko. I'm already 5 minutes. So, because of the coronavirus pandemic kind of situation, so maraming mga sale online, guys, if you don't know. So Morphe, they always have 50% off sa kanilang online store. So, doon sa website nila, if you want me to link their website, I will link it in the description box. So, on their website, makita mo doon sa kanilang mga options. So, punta ka lang sa sale. On the left side, on their website, marami dong mga option like makeup. Before about, nandun yung kanilang sale. So, click nyo lang yun. And then, makita nyo yung lalabas yung mga sale item nila. And, at the moment, meron akong nakalagay na mga item in the basket. Hindi ko pa sila chine-check out. Dahil kulang pa siya for free delivery shipping. So, yon, para makatipid kayo guys, acquire kayo ng free delivery. Kasi kung hindi, baka mapamahal din kayo. So, yun. So, meron akong 2 item at the moment there sa aking basket or check out. But, hindi ko pa siya na-check out dahil I'm looking stuff na ma-avail siya for free shipping. So, yun guys. At the moment na naaamoy ko pa rin yung smell nitong Morphe sealing spray. So, meron din silang ibang kulay nito, yung black naman, and merong metallic kind of, packaging or container. Pero, I got the white one kasi ito yung nag-sale. Alright guys, that's it for this quick unboxing of this Morphe stuff that I got it online. And yeah, alright guys, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like this kind of video. And also guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And also guys, please hit the bell notification button so that you will be notified every time I have new uploads. It's either a Java video or a beauty related video like this unboxing right here. Alright guys, that's it, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time right here on my channel. Bye guys. So right, uwi na tayo. So after ko mag-breakfast, pupunta ako sa shop. Dahil meron akong item na papalitan. Nagkamali ako ng bili ng skincare. So I bought it for men, not for the lady. So ibalik natin yung mga yan doon. Ayun na, nag-message na ang darling ko. Ibalik na natin yan. Alright guys, mag-turn on na tayo ng kotse. Dito sa Australia, kailangan mag-seatbelt kapag nag-drive ka, or else you'll get fined if you get caught. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye!